Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer lease renewals using TenantCloud. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. First, log in to your TenantCloud account. Navigate to the dashboard from the main menu. Locate the Leases tab on the left sidebar. Click on Leases to view your current lease agreements. Select the lease you want to renew from the list. Once the lease details open, look for the Renew Lease button. Click on Renew Lease to start the renewal process. Review the lease terms and make any necessary adjustments. You can update the rental amount, lease duration, or any specific terms. After making adjustments, click on Next to proceed. Choose whether to notify your tenant about the renewal. You can select to send an email notification or generate a document instead. Once ready, click on Send if you opted for email notifications. If you chose to generate a document, download the lease renewal agreement. Review the document for accuracy before sending it to your tenant. Finalize the renewal by clicking on Complete Renewal. Your lease renewal is now successfully transferred and updated in TenantCloud. Check your dashboard to confirm the changes have been applied. This process streamlines lease management and ensures your agreements are up to date. That's how to transfer lease renewals using TenantCloud quickly and efficiently. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.